average Joe.
I want to show you my beast guitar playing.
Crazy to own this thing. It's got three things going for it. It's rare, and extremely rare. It even had just some paint on it, and the top on it is, it's worth like $5 grand just as it sits.